Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've opened Inshot and loaded your clip. Now focus on the clip itself. Tap the video once to expose the toolbar, because that's where audio controls live. Select audio or volume immediately. This puts you in direct control of the clip's sound. If you have multiple clips, handle them one at a time to avoid accidental edits. Once done, confirm the clip is highlighted so subsequent actions only affect that selection. And make sure the time. Now decide whether you need a simple mute or a detached audio track. If you want silence, move the volume slider to 0 and the clip will be inaudible. This is fast and reversible. If you need to edit or replace the audio, tap Detach to split audio into its own layer. That lets you trim, delete, or add effects without touching the video. Once detached, tap the new audio strip and press delete if you want it gone, or drag and fade as needed. Finish by previewing the entire timeline to ensure every clip's audio is removed or replaced. Play from start to catch anything missed. Export the video and listen to the final file on your device to verify silence. If you still hear audio, reopen the project and check for hidden audio tracks, voiceovers, or imported music layers. Make sure those tracks are muted or deleted. As a final tip, clear app cache or restart Inshot if changes don't appear before exporting again.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.